find it funny that Punxsutawney Phil lives in Gobbler's Knob? I don't think you're the only one that will find that funny.
Punxsutawney Phil, look it up. They knock on his little door and then they open it.
Gobbler's Knob. And they got a full stage set up for him.
With his little stupid stump. I think it's hysterical. How can no one think that that's funny?
I think it's funny.
And they come with their top hats and canes.
for a fake prediction.
It's just,
Does that make your day today?
it did.
Yeah.